What is up, BP athletes? It's Spence Crosby, and today we're going to be doing something a little different today. We're going to be diving into my first passion, that is martial arts. So, stay tuned. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button followed by the notification bell. That way you're notified for future release videos. So for those who do not know, martial arts is my first passion. It came before fitness, all this other stuff. I always wanted to fight and I always wanted to learn how to fight. And so with that, I ventured out and I studied mixed martial arts. That was my first primary subject of study. And so my instructor was named Ryan Bowe. He taught at a place called Kaminari Dojo. And he was a famous, well not famous, but he was a professional mixed martial artist in Japan. And then from there, I began studying other forms of martial arts, such as Wing Chun. I studied boxing and Taekwondo, Capoeira, as well as Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. However, I didn't really cater to those a lot. My two main ones were boxing and Taekwondo. So with that, you can probably call me a kickboxer. However, I don't identify as a kickboxer because I blended everything that I've learned throughout the years and continue to learn into my own style. And so with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to throw a more devastating roundhouse kick. So let's jump into it. So I won't be giving you guys a tutorial on how to throw a roundhouse kick. This is more or less for the people who know how to throw a roundhouse kick. I'm just giving you guys tips to make it more devastating. So I'm going to give you guys two roundhouse kicks and I want you guys to be able to identify the difference. That's one. So if you guys couldn't tell, the second one was more devastating and I'm going to show you why. When I threw the second roundhouse kick, I snapped my shoulders, I jerked my body just to get more of that torque in motion and to create a more powerful kick. So when you throw a roundhouse kick, typically you don't try to go through the bag. What you want to do is you want to go through the bag. You're literally trying to kick this wood over here. And at the very end, you want to snap your shoulders like this. So I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like in slow-mo.
And so let's begin. As you can see, I'm releasing my hips, pivoting, kick, and then I'm jerking my shoulders for maximal power.
So as I said before, you should be able to see my shoulders jerk or like kind of snap. And so like I said, when I throw it, I'm throwing from my rear leg, my right rear leg, and my right shoulder is gonna go towards that wood over there. So it's kind of jerking over there. And that's what's gonna give you your more powerful roundhouse kick. So my best two tips I offer for you guys is make sure you go through the bag and as well as jerk your shoulders. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a more devastating roundhouse kick now. Please like, comment, and share, and most importantly, like I said before, hit that subscribe button followed by notification bell. Also guys, do not forget to follow me across both my social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram at Building Physiques. I will see you guys next week. Peace out, BP crew.